Hey guys, welcome back to Alicia at Home. Today I'm coming with a quick video of some different activities to do with your children or with your family for the holidays. So these activities are very fun. It's raining outside right now today, very hard, and so we are stuck in the house and the girls are getting ready to just tear up everything. So we're going to be doing some fun activities with them on today. And they're not really expensive activities that you can still, let them have fun with in the house. So for the holidays. Thank you so much for continuing to support the channel. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Today we're making Christmas wreaths with the girls. We're gonna be using some Mardi Gras beads. Mackenzie's already getting hers. And Michaela's already getting hers. Here, hold yours. Okay. Like so. String them on there, okay? See. I also have some of these Mardi Gras beads that happen to be in Christmas colors. And what I'm gonna do is cut these beads off, and this way they'll be able to string them onto their wreaths as well. So stay tuned. Mackenzie, you don't want to finish this one so I can be nice and full?
Yeah.
Come on, finish that one then.
Okay.
Do this one next. Finish that one.
Mommy.
Good job, sweetheart. You're doing great. Pull it down.
Okay.
Pull it down.
Okay.
Let me show you.
That one.
You want that one? Okay. Good job, Mackenzie. Good job, Michaela. Look at you. Pull it down. Remember, wait a minute. Remember, hold this part and pull the bead down. Pull the bead down. Pull it. There you go. Pull. Good job. Very good. Let me see what yours looks like.
Mama, that one.
So you guys, you can see how this is very good for sensory and helping them with their hand-eye coordination. Very good hand-eye. Yes, very good. So this is just a fun project to do for the holidays. And we can actually hang these around the house or on the tree as an ornament, or however you want to do it. You can actually make an entire wreath out of these little wreaths. So we may do something like that too. But this is the first project.
Mommy, it's raining again.
It is raining. You can see it is pouring down outside, you guys. So this activity is amazing for a rainy day. Good job, Michaela. Now hold that side and pull it down. Hold it and pull it down. Good job. Hold that. You got it. Hold it. Hold it right here.
Mommy, right.
Okay, so this is the next activity we're going to be doing, you guys. I have my daughters. Hi.
Hi.
They're chewing a little bit of a gum right now, taking a quick little break. And so what we're going to be doing is making some dipped chocolate chip cookies. And we're going to dip them in some melted mint chocolate chips. That's what we're going to be doing. And it's another fun activities that the kids can do. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to get started with the first activity. And we're going to just let them place these on here. You want to smell it?
It's butter. That's butter.
Butter? Oh, wait. We're not going to all touch it. Ooh, they're already kind of thawed out. So here. Hold on, I'm going to let you put it first. Okay. Sit this one down. say stay tuned. Okay, so we got the cookies baked, and so now what we have is some melted chocolate, and we're gonna let the girls go ahead and play in it. So here's a cookie for you. You got a cookie, I got a cookie. Now don't bite it. We're gonna dip it in the chocolate. You dip it first. Dip it in there real good. Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna, oh, it fell apart. Yeah, that's okay, don't bite that. We're gonna sit it over here to dry. Okay, now dip yours. Just gently all around, roll it around. Uh-oh. Ooh, yours is getting coated good. Dip it all over. That's the chocolate. That's how it looks. I'll show a close up in a little. So basically what you want to do is try to get half of the cookie coated. I probably should have remelted my chocolate a little more. Wait a minute, wait, I'm gonna let you eat it. Hold on. And this is mint chocolate chips, you guys. Now, I think my camera's gonna die, so I'll show you on my camera. It'll probably be a different quality. I'll show you on my phone.
Oh no!
Dip it in. Dip. Okay, now let's dip this side. Dip.
Oh no!
And it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. This is for the kids.